everybody! Yesterday I was on here talking about the difference between discipline and punishment. Today I want to talk about why punishment does not work. So let's just run through a typical punishment scenario, okay? Very general. A child does something wrong. They misbehave, they do something inappropriate, and their parent comes along, and at the very least, they say, don't do that, right? They probably follow it up with yelling, loss of privileges, a timeout, or in extreme circumstances, parent spanking, right? And this gets parents really upset. I have parents coming to me all the time saying, I told them not to do whatever, and they looked me right in the eyes, and then they did it again. This really upsets us, right? We've been conditioned to believe that if we tell somebody not to do something, and they continue to do it, then they're an asshole. They're doing it deliberately to piss you off. I think it was Dobson that said that a child's behavior is a direct reflection of the respect that they have for their parents. And y'all, nothing could be more wrong, right? Nothing could be more wrong. A child's behavior is a reflection of the skills that they do or do not have and the energy that they do or do not have to use those skills. So the best way that I have to explain this, to illustrate this, is if I give you a recipe for chicken cordon bleu. Stay with me. I give you a recipe for chicken cordon bleu, and on the front of the recipe card, it has a beautiful picture of what the finished dish is supposed to look like. And then you flip it over, and it has an ingredient list and directions. But when you start reading the card, you realize that the ingredient list is full of ingredients that you're not supposed to use. And the directions is full of cooking techniques that you're not supposed to use to cook the dish. Are you going to be able to cook that dish? Probably not, right? If you are successful, it's going to take you a lot of time. It's going to take you a lot of trial and error, and it's probably not going to end up looking like the pretty picture on the front. This is exactly what we do to kids when we punish them. They try to get a need met, they try to accomplish something, and we tell them, no, don't do it like that. But we're not giving them any information about what they should be doing and how to do it. So when they try again, usually with a slight variation that looks to most adults like the exact same behavior, but to them they're doing probably just tweaking one or two variables, right? Trial and error. Once again, we tell them, no, don't do that. But we don't tell them what to do. We're getting mad at our kids. We're getting back at our kids for doing what they're built to do, which is to try things over and over and over again until they meet with success. So this is why punishment doesn't work, but teaching skills does. So is anybody having any aha moments? If you are, please drop them down below. I would love to hear them. I will check back. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.